So Easel is a breakthrough digital learning platform, and our first product is a suite of applications on the iPad. Now, can everyone please solve for x? Does anyone need help?
Yeah.
All right, if you need help, just say, show me.
Okay, so to get started, you want to write out the entire equation. And the goal here is to isolate x. So the first thing we'll do is divide both sides of the equation by -3. We can cancel out the -3's on the left, and now we have x minus 5 equals -9. Similarly now, we'll add 5 to either side of the equation, and we have x equals -4. So the answer is A, x equals -4.
Instead of you trying to have to find a tutor and pay them a whole bunch of money, and the students are really responding to this. So we launched this app just 2 months ago, and we've already gotten more than 5,000 users. And that's with zero marketing or advertising behind it, just from people finding it on the App Store and telling their friends. And Apple has even thought enough of us to put us on their new and noteworthy list, so we're happy about that. And most importantly, we're seeing an average of 10 minutes spent per session on the app, which is just the amount of time it takes to get through a whole sort of content module on the app. So our users are really sticking to it and getting through a whole section every time they open the app. So we're seeing a lot of engagement and a lot of traction. Now, beyond what I just showed you, we're also working on some great new products in the pipeline. For example, this is a real-time one-on-one tutoring tool that puts you face-to-face with an actual tutor and also lets you share the whiteboard simultaneously. So this really allows us to connect students from all over the world with qualified tutors instantly. And the experience is just unbelievable. Initially, we're going after the enormous test prep market, which is more than $4 billion in the US alone, and then moving into K through 12 and higher education. We're looking for $300K to help us build out some of these really exciting products and to get us into other content verticals. So, for example, other subjects and other standardized tests. And my name is San. I'm the CEO, and my background is as a professional tutor and as a teacher, as well as a user interface and user experience designer. My partner, Karan, over there, is our CTO. He's formerly product manager at Lycos. So I'd like to leave you with one last question. This is a slope and line problem. It's a little trickier than the last one. So if you need help and if you want to see how it's solved, just find me afterwards, and I'd be happy to show you on my iPad. And if you have an iPad, you can actually go to the App Store right now and download it yourself. Just look for the word Easel. That's E-A-S-E-L. And thanks for having us.